How to get YouTube Music Recap. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, tap on the Play Store application and make sure that you have the latest version of YouTube application. As you can see on the screen, there is no option of update over here, which means we have the latest version. So just tap on open and it will land you to the home page and user interface of YouTube application. So make sure that you're logged into your account, and after logging into your account, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. Then here you can see there's no options of the music recap over here. You can tap on the gear icon and then you can see there's no option of the music recap over here. So this means the feature is not available in your region as of now. So you just have to wait until that feature pops up in your device. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.